Standing water in a garden is not only an eyesore, it's also a health hazard. You know, mosquitoes breed in it, not a good idea. If you find that you have this problem, I have a really simple solution for you, and that is you can put in a French drain. Now that's a really fancy term for something very easy that you can do yourself. Basically, what it is a plastic pipe that has perforated holes in it, and then it's wrapped with landscape cloth. Sometimes you can buy this ready-made, and if you can't find it ready-made, it's something you can make yourself. Now this is sandwiched between a bed of pea gravel and then a blanket of pea gravel. Now there's one here that's been here a long time, as you can see, and the cloth is beginning to wear away, and of course there's a gaping hole, so it's time to replace it. So dig a trench, put that bed of pea gravel in, the pipe, and then the blanket, and then cover it with your dirt. Something else I like to do with a French drain is put it around my house because foundation shouldn't get wet. And this way the water will come into that and be funneled away from your foundation and make it a lot safer.